the Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Sanstha, that is CSMSS, is involved in education since 1986. Under the umbrella of CSMSS, we are running engineering, dental, Ayurvedic, agriculture, and polytechnic institutes. I am working as a principal at CSMSS Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad, since its inception. It is one of the preferred learning destinations for the students of not only Maharashtra but throughout the country. Being head of the institute, my role is to provide conducive learning atmosphere where every student will get an equal opportunity to develop with their full potential. At the same time, I motivate, support, and witness the academic, co-curricular, and extracurricular activities. We offer BTech in 6 streams, namely Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, and also MTech in 2 streams, namely Computer Science and Engineering and Electronics Telecommunication Engineering. I think education is the best tool for social change. Being in technical education, I consider that engineers contribute a lot in development of nation through technological advancement. Moreover, my passion and interest in innovation, research, and technical education has kept me connected with this field. Came with the vision to take this institute nationally, internationally recognized, and I think we are getting success in that. I had a vision that my students should compete at international and national level, and that is seen through recognition and achievement that they are fetching. Our students excelling in the national and international level competitions like Smart India Hackathon, E-Yantra Idea Competition, SAE Baha, SAE Tifan, Go-Kart Racing, Robocon, etc. by winning first prize at all India level. I also came with mission that my student should get the job opportunities in multinational companies, and that is also getting fulfilled as our students got selected in multinational companies like Infosys, Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Verock, Endurance, Jindal Group, etc. Leading with love and relational leadership, leading with optimism, leading as a facilitator and learner, focusing on solution as leader, leading with example. I think my strengths as a leader are effective delegation of power and communication, so my leadership style take advantage of those strengths. I always try to delegate tasks to whoever is best equipped to perform well in the task, and I try to communicate clearly about what needs to be done and why. This eliminates back and forth mistake and needing to redo tasks. We are affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, that is DBATU, which is Central Technical University of Maharashtra State. The curricula of university are designed in accordance to the industry requirement. Also, university has given liberty to the affiliated institute to incorporate open elective subjects as per the need of industry. We ensure that students should undergo internship right from first year. Also, they need to spend last semester of their degree in the industry for hands-on industrial training. Apart from this, we also arrange expert talks, seminars of eminent personalities from different corporate houses. Moreover, we involve our students in solving live industry problems in collaboration with a German organization, that is GIZ, and Marathwada Association of Small Scale Industries and Agriculture, that is MASIHA. We also have MOU with many reputed organizations for holistic development of the students. We believe in imparting project-based learning, entrepreneur vision, and desire for innovation among our students. Now, with new National Education Policy 2020, the structure of Indian education system will not differ and mostly equivalent for foreign education structure. Therefore, there would not be more difference in the education structure in coming time. Already DBARTU started implementing choice-based credit system in the engineering fraternity. Apart from the conventional departments, our institute has unique departments like innovation and startup and center for technical skill entrepreneurship, which boosts the creativity, develops entrepreneurs. The institute takes its name from the renowned king and great social reformer Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, who was one of the pioneers of social justice. The institute believes in humanity. Therefore, we welcome all students with motherly heart. We strengthen equality, fraternity, and dignity to individuals despite of their caste, class, religion, etc. Even though mitigate the economic status, we provide institutional scholarship to those who are meritorious students but need financial support. I want to see my institute to be recognized nationally and internationally for research and innovation. It would be one of the preferred destinations for most of the big companies for campus placement activities too. I also vision of promoting nation building activities. As I stated, apart from conventional academic branches, we have unique departments like innovation and startup and Center for Technical Skill and Entrepreneurship, where the innovative ideas of students are groomed and commercialized as a startup. We are the first and only engineering institute in our region to offer BTech degree in artificial intelligence and data science, which is most emerging field in the today's era. We promote practice teacher guidance scheme, where every teaching faculty used to look after 15 students as a guardian. Our institute is emerging as a placement capital for Marathwada region as topmost MNCs like Infosys, Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Verock, Endurance, Jindal Group, etc. visit for campus placement every year. Highly qualified and experienced faculties, disciplined academics, excellent placement, innovation, startups, and entrepreneurship. Most important, safe and hygienic infrastructure and amenities to safeguard all students and faculties from COVID-19. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities and all-round development of the student are the greatest strengths of my institute. feel that healthy relations can be established by respecting each other, by giving dignified treatment to every stakeholder, that is student, faculty, parents, alumni, industry professional, etc. Hard work and discipline are keys to success. Everyone should keep in mind that there is no alternative to hard work. Patience is also most important in life. Accept change, modify dreams, and desire according to the changes in the world. Always try to acquire new skill, knowledge, and attitude.